How to make crawling text animation in Capcut PC. First, go to the stock material option and add a suitable background. Adjust its position in the video frame. Add a text box and do basic corrections to it. Copy the crawling text and paste it into the text box. Adjust the background strip and text. Add a position keyframe at the starting point. Adjust the text position to the lower right side of the video frame. Add another keyframe at the ending point of the text and drag this text to the opposite side. The crawling text effect is now ready. To adjust the speed of the crawling text, increase its duration and drag the keyframe to the last position. Let's play to check. The animation seems laggy. Change the frame rate from 30 fps to 60 fps. That's it, an easy way to make crawling text animation in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.